There may come a time when you want to control who can fill out your Google form. For example, teachers may want their students to fill out a Google form as a quiz, but take it at a particular time. To control who fills out the form, using a simple password or passcode can allow for this. Let me show you how you can do this. First, go to the right-hand side of your Google form to the equal sign icon. This is the add section um, element to this form. As you notice, when I clicked on the icon, an additional section appeared. Now, we would want the passcode to appear on top because that would be the first thing that your users see. As you notice, my title also moved to this section. That's simply because it's the first section, it's the first one that appears. So I can just simply copy the information and put it down here. Okay. Now, in order to create the passcode, you need to insert a question. Again, we're going to go back over to the right-hand side of the page, click on Add Question, and come up with a question as your passcode. Now, you can do this of one of several ways. First, you can just simply type in what is the passcode. Now, this would be something where you would tell your participants in advance what the passcode is, and then they can insert the answer at that time. You could also make it a little fun and have them answer a specific question. So, for example, if this was a Harry Potter quiz, you can do a fun trivia Harry Potter question. Or if you wanted to do nothing pertaining to the topic, you could do something where you and the participants would absolutely know the answer. So, for example, if you were doing this for a particular class, and you had a class pet, you can maybe say, what is the name of our class pet? So this would be something where only you as the creator of the form, as well as the participants, in this case your students, would know that answer. Okay. Now, we want this to be an answer where they have to fill it in shorthand. So we have to go to the right-hand side and change that option. Now, there are a few more steps to ensure that this is actually a passcode rather than just a simple question. First, make sure that this question is required. Okay, we know that it's required because we just turned on the switch. Second, we're going to go to the answer key. Okay. Now, in here, we have to type in the answer, the correct answer. Okay. Let's just say the correct answer is Hedwig. Okay. You want to mark all other answers incorrect because this is the correct answer. Okay, and go back to edit the question. Now, the last element of this is to go over to the snowman, which is the icon that is next to the required switch. It's 3 dots on top of each other. And you need to click on that and click on response validation. This is what makes it more of a password or a passcode rather than just a generic question. So what this allows you to do is that it allows the users to only have one specific answer, meaning they can't move forward unless they have the exact answer. So in this case, we know that the correct answer is Hedwig. So we want to change this that it is a text, that it contains the word Hedwig, and that the custom error text, what that means is you would type in a response if they answered incorrectly. So if you wanted to do like a clue, like again, this is our pet turtle, or if you just want to simply write try again, this is what's going to come up every time they try to insert the incorrect answer. Okay, so once that is done, okay, We can click again. You can go back. Let's see, answer key, edit the question. Okay, so this is from our end what this is going to look like. Again, if you wanted to here put in the description, please type in the password to move forward. You can do that as well for your users so they understand the purpose and why they're doing this. Okay. And then we can double check it to make sure that it's validated by previewing it. Again, to preview it, we need to go up to the eyeball icon, click on preview. And as you can see, this is the only thing that our users will see. Okay. It does have required, so this question is required. Okay. And as I type, so let's just see if I decide to do a different name and I hit next, it says try again. So it will not let me pass through until I get the correct answer. So if I do press D again, not the correct answer. Let's do Hedwig. Okay. Now again, if you notice in this one, the spelling does matter. So because I did not capitalize the H in Hedwig, it will not let me move forward. And then it brings me to my quiz. So that's it. That's how you can password protect your Google form.